These are lubrication or oil filter candles for the main engine. It is an essential component in the main engine lubrication systems. In order to ensure its reliability, it must be maintained and cleaned periodically. But why is it so important, and how do you maintain it? Auto filters are designed to remove contaminants from the lubrication oil, which can otherwise cause wear and damage to engine components. Over time, these filters accumulate sludge, dirt, and metal particles, reducing their effectiveness. Regular cleaning of the filter candles ensures optimal engine performance and prevents costly damage. Before beginning the cleaning process, safety should be the top priority. Ensure that the main engine is stopped and the lube oil system is depressurized to prevent oil spray or accidents during the process. Proper isolation of the system is required by closing the inlet and outlet valves of the lube oil circuit. Additionally, ensure that you are wearing the necessary personal protective equipment to avoid contact with hot oil or sharp edges of the filter housing. After ensuring the system is safe to work on, open the filter's drain valves and allow any remaining oil inside the filter housing to drain completely. This step is essential to prevent oil spillage during the removal and cleaning of the filter candles. Once the filter is drained, you can open the filter housing to access the candles. The filter housing will have a cover that is typically secured by bolts or locking mechanisms. Remove these carefully and set the cover aside. Ensure that the filter element's candles are exposed and easy to remove. The filter candles, which are cylindrical elements designed to capture contaminants, should now be removed carefully from the housing. Take care when handling them to avoid damage to the filter mesh. Examine the condition of the candles, noting any signs of wear, clogging, or damage. If they are damaged, replacement might be necessary instead of cleaning. There are several methods for cleaning the filter candles, depending on the level of contamination and the equipment available. 1. Manual cleaning. Submerge the candles in clean diesel or kerosene to dissolve the oil and sludge. Use a soft brush to gently remove the particles. Be cautious not to damage the filter mesh. 2. Compressed air. For less stubborn dirt, use a low-pressure compressed air jet to blow air through the candles from the inside out. This will dislodge contaminants trapped in the filter mesh. 3. Ultrasonic cleaning. If available, ultrasonic cleaning is an effective method for deep cleaning, as it uses sound waves to remove even the smallest particles from the filter surfaces without causing damage. After cleaning, allow the filter candles to dry completely. Compressed air can speed up this process. Once dry, inspect the candles for any remaining debris or signs of wear. If the candles are damaged or worn out, replace them to ensure efficient filtration. Once the candles are cleaned or replaced, reinstall them into the housing, ensuring they are properly seated. Close the filter housing, making sure all bolts and locking mechanisms are tightened securely to prevent leaks. Open the inlet and outlet valves of the lube oil system and restart the engine or lube oil pump. Check for leaks around the filter housing and monitor the system to ensure proper operation. Cleaning the filters regularly helps maintain oil cleanliness, which is vital for engine health and longevity. As a practice on board, engine staff keeps a set of clean filter candles on spare and just replace the dirty filter candles at port. In order to reduce replacement time, the dismantled dirty filter candles are then in turn cleaned and kept in spare for the next replacement schedule. Regular cleaning of the main engine lube oil auto filter candles ensures smooth operation and extends the life of the engine by preventing the circulation of contaminated oil